Hi and welcome back to the new series in our channel. So we're gonna be so like this is today's challenges. If you watch with this cookie, you know what they are. Go watch and then you'll know what they are. Well, you'll see. What should we do? I'm gonna do TNT. Like a TNT little hut. I don't want that. Slime stick down goes. Just a second. Peaceful. Yeah, let's have it on peaceful. Because I don't want any mobs. No mobs. Okay, so let's build our hut. I hate left clicking. There we go. Oh! There we go. I'm going to get some tornado forces. Look at it. Okay, so let's start with the wood. Try the other way. Don't you spawn another. I don't remember. Let me do that. To get a spawn, I'm just doing this randomly. One more. Oh, it's beginning. Okay, so I'm gonna let it down. So no. Good. SP. 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 A. W. And there's a spawn there. W. Spawn. Tornado. One. Okay, so that command doesn't work, so whether to storm create no Yeah. Yeah, this has yeah, I'm not gonna. Oh my god, look at the animals. Just flying away. Look at them! Okay. Oh goodness. Look at it. Let's follow the path. See what's gonna do. F1. I think that one just a test. So yeah, let's say I'm gonna spawn. Let's see this. Let's see what will happen to this. To this village. Was it a one village was? So well, the wood. Whether to create totally annihilate. Yeah! Oh yeah! Let's do this! Oh yeah! I don't want this village anymore. So what I do if I don't like the village? This. What I do if I don't like the village? This is what I do if I don't like the village. This is what I do if I don't like the village. Okay. It's actually really good. Oh, that is still being completely annihilated. Villages. Make sure we get every single spot with this. Yes. That's actually. What's it? Oh, little village in this house. What is that? What the fuck is that? What the fuck? Please. There. No, now it's time to fix it. Yes. Oh, there it is. What's the date? Oh, still. What's the deal? I was spawn because always to still. Yeah. I really just don't know why I did this. Can't move. Look at that one! Looks so weird. Let's follow the path. I think it's over here. Oh my god, another village. Is it the same one? I don't think so. No. It's not totally annihilated. We need to get this. We can't let this place stay like this. We can't. It's just not right, guys. It's just not right. We can't let this stay like this. We need it. Look at like that right there. Yeah, that's what we want it to look like. So yeah, that's what we want it to look like. And by the way, a few days ago I lost my phone. Yeah, that's what. There it is. There it is. Oh my god. Oh my god. That one just landed right there. Village. That's village or not village. Village is never gonna look the same anymore. Villages will be very unhappy. Is this
still taping? Oh my god, what the heck happened there, dude?
There's so much villages! What did it do?
Was it a tornado?
No, pig.
A pig? It just missed that village.
I know.
I'll be in my room if you see anybody.
Alright. Please end. When are you gonna end? We can't let this one be like this. So much villages. I'm watching this like 100 times. Can't let any village stay the same. We just can't. It cannot allow that. Good stuff. Yes, we already have stuff we already have. Let's spawn F5. When to F5. Oh, yeah. This is never like it is not. Yes. guys, I'm back. It's comfy. Okay. Okay, never mind. Now I know. What? How did this survive? Let's run an F5 tornado. Right inside here, I'm just gonna break that door. Yes. That's the only way. Yeah. How is this not going? This is not disappearing. There it goes. Yeah. Never mind, guys. Never mind. Let's go. I'm gonna help the tornado. Pixel, dude. Right there. This is going to go well. Come in. I think it will. Is it? No. We need another one. Guys, I'm so it's too much to see. Too much better. Just kidding. You don't have to do. Okay. There it is, right there. Look. Yeah. Now the village is really looking good. Yeah. Thank you, Pig. What is this? When are you gonna end, Pig? Are you gonna end by by? Are you gonna end soon, please? Please, do. Oh, never stopping. I didn't expect you to go this way. What are you doing now? Oh, I think it stopped. Nice. Oh no, it's still going. When is this gonna end? I am away from the storms. Oh, the storms are way back now. The new clouds are here. Can't let the villagers stay alive. Oh, yeah. Thank you, Big Zilla. I love you so much. Look what he just did. Just like scraped the top, like edges, threw knocks everywhere in this village. Look at it. This is beautiful. It's beautiful, alright? Finally, I know. This is how, guys. How long pig videos take to end this long? Can you get up? Yeah. Oh boy. Yeah, now go for that village! I'm gonna need to kill you on this stick because I want one. You know. I guess it likes tornadoes. I think it does. Oh, yeah, that's it. Now come over here, please. Thank you. I guess it does like it anymore. Here, light from all the way over there. Hey, will you stop going that way? Go over here, please. I'm gonna head back. It's gonna take a while. Yeah, I'm getting there. I'm getting there. Next. Wait, this don't come here. Guys, by the way, if you didn't know, I was on vacation, and when I was playing Minecraft, some of the times Odell Beckham Jr. joined my game. That's cool, right? I never did any of you know he played Minecraft? Because I did. Don't think I'm terrible, please don't. Please don't. That would be sleep. So, please. I love you. Magical tornado with you. I don't know. Yeah. Whatever. How does the story end? When and how does it end? I'm gonna fall down, ready? Wait, hold on. Game mode. Yeah, I'm falling. Okay, we get that. And I'm dead. Wait. Let's go back. We're here. I really don't want to be. Over here. I already thought the storm would be this way. Bye, guys. Bye. I will be back. What was that noise? Bye. I will be back. I will. Bye. Here you go. Look at that. Look at that. It's perfect. That's exactly what I want. I just want a webcam. Look at the comments. Tell me. Do you want a webcam or not webcam? Tell me. Please or not. Because I will know if you like it or not. Please tell me. Please. Hey, okay. Village, oh no, I want to see a treat. I wonder what you have. Yes, joy. Look at me. Guys, I'm gonna end the video. Yeah. Wait. And bye and goodbye, bye. See ya!